guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. It's been a while since the last time I did a video. I know I should be doing it daily and always, but I'm so sorry, but lately I'm always busy. So today I will be doing a vlog about how to do beach waves curls. This is my technique. It may be not the correct one, but this is how I do my beach waves. Finally, I find the way how to do it because I've always tried it to do watching other videos, but it never came up in the end. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, actually I just washed my hair and now I am going to dry it. And I'm gonna show you in a second how to do a very wonderful beach waves curls, and I hope this video will be helpful for some ladies out there. And come on, let's get into the video.
I mean it, every part has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, waste your time, keep fighting.
Finally dried my hair. Now I will be going to show you how to do beach wave curls. So guys, actually I use this kind of curler. It's small, I know, but it makes your hair perfectly curl, and it also stays for even few days. Now I will be showing you how to curl your hair with the curler. It actually makes you the most beautiful beach wave curls. This is my technique again, so I hope it may be helpful for some ladies out there. I will be dividing my hair now so that I curl my hair step by step and the curls actually looks wonderful. So I'm gonna show you. First of all, I divide my hair here. I actually do a little small bun. There you go. I'm gonna brush my hair. And start.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a shine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through with the cloud. And every day we search, I mean it, every part has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, waste your time, keep fighting. And even if you dream,
Then I let it go. There you go. Now I get a little bit again.
we search, I mean it, every part has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time, keep fighting. Even if you drift and fall, look down and still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back,
I finished my beach wave curls, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. I am going to put this avocado pompelmo oil for my hair, and then look. There you go, guys. Finally, I finished my hair. So guys, here are the beach curl waves that I did. Actually, they really look gorgeous. I really love them, and it's easy to do. It takes you around 15 minutes to 20 minutes to curl your hair if you have long hair, but look at how beautiful are these curls. They're really perfect and wonderful, and super love it. And actually with my hair, it stays even for 2 or 3 days, which is really beautiful and wonderful, and I just really love it. So guys, again, thank you for watching my vlog for today, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope that this vlog was helpful, and see you in my future vlogs. Thank you for watching and following my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, and thanks a lot, and see you on my next vlogs. Bye!